Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making Aloo Matar Roll. Crispy outside with a flavorful potato and green pea filling. Perfect for snacks, lunch boxes or evening cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon kalonji, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add 1/3 cup water gradually to make a soft dough. Rub some oil on the dough and keep it aside to rest. For the filling, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon cumin, 2 green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon salt. Roast briefly until aromatic. Add 1/4 cup boiled green peas. And 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Cook for 2 minutes and keep aside. Take a portion of dough and roll it out. Keep the dough soft for easy rolling. Place the aloo matar mixture. Apply water on edges. Fold as shown. And seal with a fork. Do not overfill the rolls. Seal edges properly to avoid leakage. Fry in medium heated oil. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Potatoes provide energy and potassium. Green peas add fiber and plant protein. Homemade rolls use clean oil. Portion control keeps fried snacks balanced. Remove from the heat and serve hot. Aloo matar is one of the most loved North Indian fillings. Ajwain and kalonji add aroma and aid digestion. Fork sealed edges help keep filling intact. Rolls like these are popular street snacks. Your aloo matar is crispy, spicy and perfectly cooked. Serve it hot with chutney or sauce. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innoven Foods for more easy snacks recipes.